Hey, for any of you brave Christian tradition students who are thinking about going for option 3 in the semester writing project, which would be basically kind of a more or less typical research paper. It's hard to imagine though, 6 to 8 pages, but I guess that that's okay. The older I got, the more papers seem to get longer, but certainly in college, a 6 to 8 page paper sounds plenty. Just be aware of the material that's in the syllabus. I do want to know if you're going to do that third possibility. I'd like to know probably by the time the second church visit is due. That's a different assignment, of course, that you're not choosing if you go with 3. But by the second church visit due date, and I'll try to bring that up when we get close, I'd like to know what topic you're thinking about or have chosen, along with what materials you found to read. Remember, I believe that the syllabus stipulates 150 pages of like outside reading to sort of buttress your paper, as it were. So I'll want to know the sources you found, and when you do hand in that paper, it will need to include a bibliography with the pages that you read from each source specified, added up, tabulated to demonstrate that it's at least 150 pages. I don't get that many students taking option 3, usually not more than 1, maybe 2 per course per semester. But it's certainly a good option if you have a question you'd like to dig deeper into and explore. I definitely don't want to discourage you from doing that. So, as I've said with the other groups or the other, options, spelling, grammar, and punctuation all matter significantly with these papers. I've told the other in the other ones that probably I would say 35 to 40% of your grade is spelling, grammar, punctuation. 60 to 65% is ideas and their organization execution. But that give you some idea of how important it is to me that you do the effort, and if necessary and highly encouraged, that you find a proofreader who is reliable to go over your paper before you submit it. I don't want to be your first proofreader. In fact, I refuse to be your first proofreader. Find somebody to go over that and help you to catch the errors, somebody that you can really trust to help improve your text. I think that's pretty much it on the third option. And those of you who take this third option, I salute you and hope that the research into the issue that you're endeavoring to take will be really helpful and fruitful to you. Thanks a lot.